Welcome everyone. Today we are going to be learning how we can install Git on our Windows system. So the first step is that you need to go to google.com and type in Git installation Windows. Click on the first link and then click on download for Windows. After that, click here to download. Your download will begin, and once the download has completed, you will see this folder or this application appear up in your download folders. Now double click on that. There will be a notification that will appear on your screen. Please accept that. Then click on next, click on next, click on next again, next, again next, 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 next. All the options by default, whatever they are, select them. And click on install. It's going to take a while to complete the installation, and I believe that once it's done, the Git is going to be installed on your system. Once done, click on finish. And now in your start menu, write down git bash. Click on this and write down pwd. If you are able to do this, then this means that Git has been installed in your system successfully. That's it. Thank you everyone.